Are you a business owner looking to improve the performance of your employees and ultimately your profitability? Or are you an individual working hard and looking for promotions and increased salary? Or are you looking for a job and want to make sure you get the job you want? Wherever you stand, GBT Solutions is here to help you get the desired result in your business or in your work life. We offer carefully curated courses and programs for individuals and businesses. The main courses include Financial Modeling, live, online, Certified Corporate Finance Analyst, CCFA, Financial Modeling Certificate, Advanced Excel Microsoft 365, Business Valuation Modeling Certification, and more. You can learn through self-learning courses or virtual live learning from our experts. For the corporate entities wanting to enhance their employees' performance, we can arrange a corporate in-house learning experience to maximize your employees' performance. These courses can be learned anytime, anywhere, and anyhow. Take your business analysis and IT skills to the next level with GBT Solutions. Visit www.gbtsolutions.com for more information or contact us at support@gbtsolutions.com. GBT Solutions, digital learning and innovation.